Hello, I am Siddhant from Group J066. Today in this video, we will be understanding about Seaborn. So first of all, what is Seaborn? Seaborn is a Python library built on Matplotlib that simplifies data visualization. It provides beautiful visual charts with minimal code. So now we will see some of the key features of Seaborn. One of the most appealing feature of Seaborn is its attractive defaults. For example, as we can see in this code, as we can see, Seaborn automatically gives contrasting colors to the data for different groups, which helps in visualizing the plot easily. Second feature that Seaborn offers us is advanced plot types. That is, Seaborn helps in plotting complex data sets with the help of heat maps, joint plots, facet plots, pair plots, joint, etc. Another feature of Seaborn is its easy integration with pandas. As we can see here, we just need to import pandas, make a data frame, and then directly plot the plot we want. We also have the feature of built-in datasets in Seaborn. For example, there are different datasets that are inbuilt in Seaborn. Some of them are tips, Titanic, Penguin, etc. We are loading here the tips dataset from Seaborn and trying out different things. Now let us understand Seaborn using a direct example. We will plot a box plot using Seaborn. But before that, let us plot a box plot using Matplotlib to understand the difficulties we face when we are not using Seaborn. So first of all, we will need to import Matplotlib and pandas. Then we will load the tips dataset from the Seaborn, which is, tips is an inbuilt dataset in the Seaborn. Then we will plot the box plot using Matplotlib, where the x-axis will represent day and the y-axis will represent total bill. Here we need to manually group the data along the column day in the dataset. For that, we need to use the for loop. And we also need to give the labels of x-axis, y-axis, and title of the graph manually. So now let us see the graph plotted by this code. So as you can see, this is the graph we plotted using the matplotlib. Now let us try using Seaborn. So again, we will import Seaborn and Matplotlib, load the tips dataset, and plot a box plot for this dataset, where the x-axis will represent day, total y-axis will represent total bill, and we are using a palette equals to cool warm. This is used to give the color grading. So let us see the plot made by Seaborn. As we can see here, we have a legend, and the graph is a little bit colorful, which is visually much more appealing than that of the graph made by Matplotlib. Also, this graph is easier to comprehend, and hence we can conclude that Seaborn has a better built-in aesthetic styling, and also Seaborn handles the categorical data smoothly. In less number of lines of code, we can get a better plot using Seaborn. So concluding this, we can say that Seaborn provides simplified data visualization, seamless integration with pandas, built-in data sets which can be used for experimenting with the plots of the Seaborn, and Seaborn provides more insights in less lines of code. Now, coming to the potential use cases of Seaborn. Seaborn can be used in many fields. For example, in exploratory data analysis, we can use this data for experimenting with the plots. Seaborn can be also used for statistical and correlation analysis. Seaborn can be used for comparing categories by visualizing categorical data using box plots. We can also use Seaborn for time series and trend analysis by using line plots, and we can also use Seaborn for machine learning and data science.